exciting project today, putting a Hypermax Cowl Induction system on the IDI. They're pretty common, I think. I don't know. It's supposed to go from like basically right under your windshield wipers with the cowl in it there, and then it bolts up to this thing. This bolts up to the pickup, and then this hose goes to your factory air box. Cost me 88 bucks, and then this is what it's supposed to look like. So it's fast shipping. We'll see what it does. I'm sure it's not going to do a lot, but I didn't have somebody took the factory air hose off, so it was just pulling hot engine bay air, and that's probably the worst possible solution. So I'm hoping this eliminates some fuel waste and also gives me a little extra power. So it fits right here, right above the brake booster, and it's got kind of a angled cut there to fit the shape of your. It slides in there, and then you basically mark it, reach in there and mark it. That's what the directions say, and then cut this out. Alright, I got it cut out of there. You can see that the air comes in through here. And then apparently there's like a pressure system that pushes the air through there, and that's how you get it in there. Then it says to pre-drill with 3/30 seconds bit. And it gives you 4 screws, so just pre-drill around the edge there. The kit also comes with this like sticky double-sided stuff that you're supposed to put on the back of the thing there to seal better to the pickup. People worry about water and stuff, but there actually is a drain hole in your factory air box, so as long as you keep that clean, you should be fine. Well, I got it installed. It looks pretty clean. It's nice heavy material they use. See how it works. I mean, looks good. I did cut some off. I had too much. I'm sure that you need more if you have a turbo motor. So I took the pickup for a drive. pulled the camper out to the in-laws' place, and I thought the induction thing made a big difference. The like pulling hills and stuff, instead of getting a ton of black smoke, I was just getting like a haze, which is what the forums say you want. So I think it gave me more power. It made the pickup sound a little bit different too, almost like a thumping under the airbox when it was working. So I thought it worked good. It was easy to install, and it was worth $85 in my opinion. So yeah.